The revolutionary aspect of the Iron Dome lies in the integration of AI at every stage of production, monitored here in real time.
Weldments. The carbide edge peels away a controlled layer of aluminum, creating a flawless finished surface. The CNC
non-destructive testing ensures the structural integrity of every component.
The B-scan imaging confirms 0 internal flaws.
The blades rotate steadily, gradually combining the materials. Temperature sensors ensure the exothermic reaction never approaches dangerous levels.
Inside the curing ovens, the propellant undergoes a critical transformation at precisely 60 degrees Celsius.
Final torque values confirmed within spec.
Traceability documentation signed off. Motor 22 is ready.
Thousands of components per hour are placed with robotic precision, assembling the guidance computers critical for the Iron Dome system. As the boards reach the reflow peak of 230 degrees Celsius, the solder paste melts, wetting the pads and forming perfect fillets as it cools.
Initiating gimbal test sequence 47. Monitor the servo response.
Tracking initialized. Performance metrics look nominal.
The actuators cycle continuously in the test fixture, verifying position accuracy and response speed. This
All systems green for Pack 42.
Data confirms high power output stability.
Initiating rapid actuation sequence.
Full range of motion confirmed. System response is nominal.
IMU aligned to body axis, securing bolts now.
Verify continuity on harness 8. Power connections confirmed good.
The automated testing verifies every wire and electrical component. Real-time results confirm the guidance systems are integrated and functional. Pedestal is rotating at 10 degrees per second. Track remains solid.
Good. Verifying monopulse patterns now.
Guidance is locked on the crossing target. Actuators responding nominal.
Propulsion checks out, initiating missed distance calculation.
Alignment looks good. Set her down slow.
Engaging the forward retention clamps now. Verify green indicators.
Confirmed. Starboard clamp secure.
Advanced inventory systems track every missile by serial number, maintaining constant readiness in secure, climate-controlled storage. All critical measurements are validated against the specifications. Excellent. The documentation is in order. We formally accept the batch.
Sierra Bravo 1, radio check.
Loud and clear. Actual. Loading complete.
All units, depart on my mark. All units maintain current spacing. We are 15 clicks from the drop point.
Confirmed. Control. ETA revised to 0930.
Guidance section clear. Telemetry checked. Cover secured.
All checks complete. Missile 60 is ready for loading.
Missile seated. Confirm green indicators.
Indicators green. Locking collar engaged.
Reconfiguration complete. Launcher inventory updated.
All systems green. Readiness status confirmed.
Launch sequence initiated.
Seeker lock established. Terminal guidance active.
Confirmed trajectory correction. Stand by for impact.
Track terminated. Confirmation successful.
Good hit. The target is destroyed. Clear of debris. Structural integrity confirmed.
Systems green. Prepare to engage the container. Stand clear.
The load cell data confirms a significant increase in yield strength at high temperatures.
Excellent.
This variation is causing the bottleneck in Q3.
The digital twin simulation shows the optimized fixed
resistance. Integrating these digital systems ensures every component meets the requirements. The training on inspection techniques significantly improved. Environmental testing validates that these missiles will maintain full capability across all storage and operational conditions, ensuring reliability regardless of climate.
The comprehensive electromagnetic testing ensures the missile will operate reliably in the complex electromagnetic environment.
Check the capacity utilization on line 3. We're showing a bottleneck in quality control.
Acknowledged. Shifting personnel to mitigate the delay and keep throughput optimized.
Apply consistent pressure until you hear the click. That ensures the torque meets the specification.
Now verify the setting against the schematic here.
Proper handling procedures are critical, especially concerning the explosive materials on site.
We need to update the signage and verify.
Look at this data. By implementing the new layout, we've reduced the cycle time by 20%.
That's excellent. We should standardize this immediately.
Engineers are evaluating and implementing advanced manufacturing technologies that will improve future Iron Dome production efficiency and capability. We've got unauthorized access attempts on the manufacturing database.
To date,
The Iron Dome maintains a 90% success rate, as shown in these live fire intercepts.
This sustainment plan ensures the Iron Dome remains effective for decades.
We've integrated the obsolescence data and the software updates.
We need to verify the quality assurance protocols for these deliverables.
Certainly.
This section.
The strategic materials warehouse utilizes sophisticated inventory management, balancing cost efficiency with production continuity.
The documentation for the countermeasure component is finalized. We'll file the provisions.
This bottleneck operation is the critical path. We can't meet the surge requirement without expanding this line.
The system demonstrated a 90% success rate in recent exercises. Integration with your existing infrastructure.
Documenting the evolution of Iron Dome, these displays show the technological progression from early prototypes to we're integrating advanced sensors and propulsion systems. This extended engagement envelope ensures defensive superiority against future threats. The economic impact of Iron Dome manufacturing extends beyond defensive capability, creating thousands of high-quality.
When we deployed the system near Gaza, the user interface lagged during simultaneous interceptions.
Okay, so improving the multi-target.
Here at Rafael, we developed the next generation of defense technology. The guidance systems you see here rely on the STEM skills you are learning today.
This milestone, the 1,000th Iron Dome interceptor, is a testament to your dedication and quality workmanship.
This compatibility verification ensures any missile can be deployed to any battery, providing operational flexibility.
We need to finalize the documentation for the guidance system downgrade.
It maintains effectiveness but protects the sensitive algorithms as required. Battery performance holding steady at 98%.
Hydraulic systems check complete. All systems nominal.
This single-point failure in the guidance system is unacceptable.
The risk matrix confirms severity level 1. We must implement the active redundancy schematic.
The defect mechanism is clearly linked to the supplier material batch.
Wow.
Our analysis confirms this anomaly in the process parameter. Look at the sensitivity analysis here. Robust performance despite the disturbances.
Agreed. Missed-distance distributions are well within specifications.
As you can see, the control system is maintaining stability despite the simulated aerodynamic uncertainties.
Simulation shows successful target acquisition.
Timing sequence initiated. Detonation confirmed at optimal standoff. Safety validation complete.
The interface modification is working seamlessly with the tactical data link.
Confirmed. The missile system shows full interoperability with the radar input.
We're seeing a slight drift in parameter Z on the SPC chart.
The correlation analysis confirms it. We should adjust the temperature.
Teracti. The automated inspection system flagged this component for microfractures.
These sustainability initiatives prove that sophisticated manufacturing can proceed responsibly, reducing our environmental geopolitical risks are impacting the primary component flow. We must activate the alternative supplier immediately.
Confirmed.
We must ensure these procedures are documented precisely to enable seamless technology transfer to the production facility.
We can optimize the guidance algorithms for the autonomous vehicles here.
and apply the precision manufacturing to the new medical prototypes.
Evils. The technology sharing agreement strengthens our defensive capabilities significantly.
And it transforms this from a single sale.
Hypersonic trajectory confirmed. Our current defense capabilities show a significant gap here.
Then we prioritize the countermeasure development. All documentation verified. Test results confirmed.
Authorization granted for delivery to the IDF.
We focused on continuous improvement, and the results speak for themselves. This award really belongs to the whole team's.
We finished the priority run on the ERTS contract.
Yeah.
This downturn in the efficiency trend line is unacceptable.
Yeah.
We need to identify the root cause in assembly immediately.
I agree.
For instance, the combat performance data confirms high intercept probability and rapid response time.
How does the system handle simultaneous threats?
We need to finalize the roadmap for the next decade. Balancing near-term Iron Dome production with the long-term technology investments is.
The monitoring data confirms continuous compliance for the emissions controls.
Agreed. Waste handling procedures are
Hold point in Sector 4. We need an immediate reroute for customs.
Initiating alternative logistics now. Confirmation incoming.
This wiring harness requires a specific torque setting, or the connection will fail under stress.
Right, using the specialized tool to secure it now.
The supplier throughput for the guidance systems remains the primary bottleneck here.
If we implement the optimized assembly flow,